So here we are then on Spinning Racer at Fantasy Island Resort, new for 2021, and we're going up the lift hill backwards.
Oh, no.
Here we go. So of course 4 riders per train on this one, 2 facing either way. And here we go, sun shining, beautiful day for it. This coaster used to be out there in Europe. It used to travel around German fun fairs. Now it's here in the UK, and here we go. Spinning Racer! Wow! Whoa! So smooth, really enjoyable. Great views from on here as well. Oh! Into the horseshoe. Whoa, what an overbank, love that. Oh.
This is my favourite bit.
Here we go. Yeah, the track's a bit funky here, isn't it? Woo, S-bend. So smooth. I wasn't expecting it to be this smooth actually, but it's great. What is an older coaster, but first time in the UK. Helix, helix, way. Even this section now is a bit funky with the track. Woo. Way. Oh, brilliant. But yeah, what a really nice addition for 2021 down here at Fantasy Island. Come down here and check it out. Brilliant ride, nice and smooth. Enjoy that. Awesome. Thank you very much for watching Theme Park Worldwide, and get out there and keep on riding. See you soon.